Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make the person black and white and the background colorful. So copy and paste your videos. On the second video, go to cutout, select auto cutout. Then you're going to go to adjustments and you're going to go to saturation and you're going to turn it all the way down. You can also play around with the brightness a little bit. And if you want to make the background super colorful, you could just select the background, go to adjustments, and turn up the saturation. Just play around with the brightness and the contrast as well. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!